Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you how to check if your phone is unlocked. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. An unlocked phone can be used with the SIM card from different mobile carriers, but a locked phone only works with the carrier that originally sold it. So the easiest way to check it's by using a SIM card from a different carrier. You can try an example first of all, turning off your phone and then removing your current SIM card. And of course, to insert a card or just try to insert a card from a different or another carrier. Then turn your phone back on. Then you'll have to wait for it until it connects to the network. Once it's connected to the network, as an example, you'll be able to see it. So if your phone successfully connected and you're able to make your calls, use your mobile data and your phone, it means that is unlocked. But if you see a message such as SIM not supported, network locked, SIM network unlock pin, or similar error, your phone is likely carrier locked. On some phone, you can also check its settings or in the settings. So just go as an example to your settings. From there, on an iPhone, you can click on General. So scroll down and click on General. From here, you can click on About, and then you can scroll until you find this carrier lock. As you can see here, carrier lock. For me, I have no SIM restrictions. So if it says no SIM is restricted or restriction, your phone is basically unlocked. On Android, it will be a little bit trickier than that. So you'll have to go to settings and about phone, then on network setting. But the option will not be available on every device. That's why testing with another SIM card is the most reliable method, especially for Android. So if your phone is locked and you want to use another carrier, you'd like to contact your current carrier to see if your device is eligible for unlocking or not. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.